Hello everyone, today I'm going to do my Loot Crate unboxing. I got my Loot Crate, and the theme was Quest, and I was ultimately excited to find out what the D&D item is in there, but they revealed that they'd give us a D&D item from Dungeons and Dragons, and something from the Labyrinth. So I'm really excited about those two things. So, let's take a look. Box was easy to open this time. Alright. I got a t-shirt. Let's see what the shirt is. Oh my god, that is so cool. I love the Labyrinth. It is one of my favorite movies. So that is ultimately really cool. Alright. Aw! Harry Potter socks! These look awesome. I think I'm gonna put them on and have like a Harry Potter fest, because I never actually saw all the movies. I know, go ahead and yell at me. I've only seen like the first 3, so I kinda need to get my game on and watch them all. Alright. This here, I don't know if you can see the bottom of it. Let's turn off my autofocus, sometimes that helps. Okay. There we go. It says it's a 20-sided die ice mold. So, now we're gonna take a look. That is really cool. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but there's numbers inside. It's like literally a 20-sided die mold. This is ultimately cool, and like, you would close it, and that's where you would put the water in, and then you'd freeze it. That is ultimately really awesome. Now I'm there's like a little thing right there, and like a small little hole right there, so yeah, I didn't catch that at first, and ta-da. So this here will actually create ice. Alright, let's see what else I got. This has it says Vikings on it. What is in here? Oh. It's like a drinking mug of some sort? Yeah, because this here would hang around your... Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Okay. There's something inside of this. So, it's a poster that says, "I am a man of fortune and must seek my fortune," from the Uncharted Force, from Uncharted 4. That's ultimately cool. Okay, we'll put this back. Maybe I'll get a little frame for it and hang it up on the wall. Okay, I did not see the cat just push open that door. So it scared me. Alright. We'll put that. Okay. And my Loot Crate pen for this month. Looks like a shield with a 20-sided die in the middle. Hang on. I'm trying to bring it into focus some for you. There you go. See? Alright. Put my pen back. I'll be honest with you, I think that maybe they could have given us something better than this, because, well, let's face it, I don't like ice. So, this is pretty much just gonna, like, sit on my computer desk or something. I'm never gonna use it. So, I mean, I might use it, like, I've been told that maybe I should, make a video and show y'all, like, me turning it into ice or whatever, and yeah, so that would be pretty neat, actually. Okay, but I don't know yet, so I'm gonna put that in here. Although it is still pretty cool. It is pretty cool. I might use it, because you never know. And then, of course, the Loot Crate magazine. Okay. Oh, this is kind of cool. The box says Amaze, so it actually says flip me inside out. So if I flip the box inside out, it becomes a maze. And I don't like mazes, so I ain't too worried about it. Just save the box. Last time, these boxes come in handy because my cousin used my last one to ship her video card back to iBuyPower. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, and share. And I am going to go put this wonderful stuff up. And yeah, so anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Keep an eye out for my next video, which should be I decided not to do my hunter pets today, because I really didn't feel like, doing all that today. So my next video will be the Leveling Horde, part 24. So keep an eye out for that, then I will talk to you all later. Have a wonderful day. And thank you once again for watching.